Kung meron kang problema, concealer. Kung meron kang utang, concealer. Kung nag-break kayo ng jowa mo, concealer. Actually, ito na yun. Yeah, that's it. That's the look. Ganda lang. Hi preview, this is Michelle D. I am a beauty vlogger and I'm here to show you my go-to makeup routine for the beach. Tada! Finally! Nandito na tayo sa preview! Galing po ako sa Ilocos and sa amin is marami kaming mga beach doon. Kung beach look ang pinag-uusapan, first things first, kailangan mo ilagay yung iyong sunblock. Don't forget to use sunblock, okay? So today, I am using the Anessa Ultimate Beauty Sunscreen Outstanding UV Protection Radiant Skin Begins today with Ginkgo biloba. I'm trying to stay, calm and collected and prim and proper, but my true personality is coming out and I cannot stop it. You have to put your sunblock first in your face, like this. Not too much because we are still going to put a lot of makeup, so you don't want your face to be sticky. Uy, diretsing English, mare! Okay, don't forget your sunblock. First thing I do when I put my makeup, any type of makeup, I always spray my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. You spray a lot in your face like that. If you haven't seen any of my tutorials in YouTube, they are all in Tagalog. Kaya naman pala nating magmukhang Andre Brillantes eh. Oh, pak.
Confidence lang talaga.
Confidence lang talaga. Tsaka tiwala sa sarili. I barely speak in English. We are making history, baby. I'm not going to use any primer. I will go straight to concealer. When you're doing your beach makeup look, you have to make sure that at least you put the least amount of product in your face because of course, at the beach, it's very hot, it's very humid, it's very salty, and it's very sandy. Okay ba yung English ko preview? I am going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So guys, all of the makeup that you will see for today's video are my expensive makeup. NARS. Just a little bit under your eyes. And then in my blemishes, in all my imperfections. So we have to cover everything. So, get this kind of brush. It has to be like a synthetic brush so it could work with your concealer. Start blending on the areas where you put your concealer, just like that. One tip that I can give is that when you blend your concealer, don't overspread it or don't overblend. Just stay where you are. Eye area. Guys, nga pala, kung ayaw nyo gumamit ng brush, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng beauty blender para din mas lighter pa yung coverage. Although kasi, pag gumamit ka ng beauty blender, mababawasan pa yung amount, yung makeup na nilagay mo. So, sayang yung pera, 'di ba? So, mag-brush ka na lang. Tama?
Tama!
Tama. Walang hindi na-fix ng concealer. Kung meron kang problema, concealer. Kung meron kang utang, concealer. Kung nag-break kayo ng jowa mo, concealer. Kung magkaaway kayo ng best friend mo, concealer. If you're the type of girl who likes to use foundation, it's okay. Nasa sa'yo yan, best. There you go. As you can see, my face right now is so pretty. Actually, ito na yun. Yeah, that's it. That's the look. Ganda lang. Usually kasi ang ginagawa ko na is that naglalagay na ako ng either tint or ng mga blush or whatsoever before I put on my powder in order for the blush to look like you're blushing from within. That's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. And for this look, I am using the Nude Sticks Nudist Bloom. Para sa mga tulad kong gustong-gustong mag-nude. It's okay if you want to put your blush medyo along the center of your face. Kasi parang itsura mo sun-kissed, 'di ba? Pag gusto mo ng medyo lifted ka, medyo parang ganon, ilagay mo sa dito na part. Kung gusto mo na parang yung sun-kissed, which is perfect for the beach, you put it in the center of your face. I usually put a little bit in my chin also. Here, on your nose bridge. That's how you do a sun-kissed look. And I'm just going to set my face first before we do our eyebrow. Ganito lang kabilis magpaganda. Powder ka lang, konting blush, confidence, tiwala sa sarili, mga ganon. Okay, at least naset na ng konti. For this look, I use the Chanel powder that I have. Pag preview, Chanel ang mga nilalabas. So, right now guys, actually, my face looks, diba, super natural. You can stop there. Magkilay ka na lang and then konting gloss. Okay na. But today, we are going to level up a little bit our beach look para lumevel up ng konting ating ganda. Tip ko lang, when you're at the beach, sakto lang yung kilay, huwag masyadong pakak. As natural as possible sana, kung po pwede. May occasion na binabagayan yung defined, super defined na kilay. Okay ba? Okay na ba yung kilay ko? I can tell. What I like to do is that I put a little bit of shimmer dito. Para lang pag tumama yung ilaw or pag tumama yung araw sa mukha ko, parang, ano yun? Mapapaganan yung tumingin sa'yo. Sobrang luma na siya kasi ginagamit ko siya sa lahat. Basta anything gold shimmer, parang glitter or something exciting. Diba? Para pumunta tayo sa exciting part. There. I have here a brown eyeliner. Ilaline lang natin yung mata natin using a brown eyeliner para hindi rin masyadong, bare instead of black. And I really like using brown eyeliner in my looks. Maganda yung dating. Make sure when you put it, you smudge it agad-agad kasi mabilis mag-set ito. Just to shape your eye a little bit. I'm using the Tevian in kulay brown. Now guys, I am going to get my contour powder and gagamitin ko siya as an eyeshadow para ma-define lang ng konti yung aking eyes. And alam nyo guys, itong look na to is something that would look really good sa pictures para maganda yung mga bikini photos. I will add this. Meron din akong Asian ko Precision Brown pen. This is actually for the eyebrows but I like using it here. Yung mascara nasaan? Oh, konti lang yung nilalagay ko na mascara. Hindi yung sobrang OA na sobrang dami. So, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Is there anything better than sex? Okay, maglalagay tayo ng extra blush on top of what we have already applied. And what I like to use to set the blush or the tint is a matte blush. Ayan. Matte yan. Kung hindi nyo pa nakukuha yung tan na gusto nyo being at the beach, mag-bronzer muna kayo. I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer para mas maging parang golden yung itsura ko because I like to look golden and tan when I'm at the beach. There, don't forget your forehead pag maglalagay ka ng bronzer. Kasi marami akong nakikita dyan na pag naglalagay ng bronzer, kinakalimutan yung forehead. Best, huwag ganon. Huwag nyo kalimutan. Sama-sama yan. An easy way to apply your bronzer kung hindi kayo marunong is number 3. Just follow the number 3. 1. Parang ganun. One of the things na super favorite ko talaga when it comes to beach looks is maglagay ng shimmer in here. I always bring with me my shimmer. Nakita nyo, nauubos ko na siya kasi ito yung isa sa mga favorite ko na highlighter. Ng makeup nyo ate. Kala mo pa party. And then sa nose. Here, on your nose bridge. Nice. Ganda. Pwede ka mag-lip tint. Usually, yun yung pinakamabilis gawin. Pero for today, para maiba lang. And I'm using the shade Taupe from MAC. Para very Pinay, diba? There. Diba ang ganda? Ipapolish ko lang yung buong look. I will transform into my beach look. And I'll be back. Okay po, so ayun na. This is my beach look for preview. Guys, please don't forget to check out my own channel, Michelle D, on YouTube. And also, of course, please subscribe to Preview. So thank you so much, Preview, for this opportunity. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye!